Mapapasabay ka talaga sa tugtog kapag ito yung ginagamit mo na headset. Ito yung Unikuma Vito gaming headset mga busing. Naka Bluetooth 5.3 up to 25-hour working time. May built-in microphone na may active noise cancellation at supported ng multiple connection. Inside the box, ito yung makukuha mo. User manual, headset at mga accessories. At i-check naman natin yung kanyang audio using the built-in microphone. Sound check 1 2 3, 1 2 3 sound check. Right now we are using the built-in microphone. Sound check 1 2 3, 1 2 3 sound check. At check naman natin yung kanyang sound quality. Magpapatugtog tayo ng music. At may mga buttons rin to mga boosting na magagamit mo sa pagnabigit nitong headset na to. May volume button, may frequency button, microphone button at power on button mga boosting. At naka USB Type-C charging na rin yan mga boss. Kaya naman kung gusto mong mag-check out ng ganitong klaseng headset na maganda pang gaming, pang music streaming, just click the yellow basket below. Yung buy now here dyan, i-click mo yan para maka-order ka. At grabe mga bossing, ang ganda ng base ng headset na to.